here's a car that we'll just take a quick video of because you're only gonna have it for what, 3 or 4 days? It's tight though. So what is it? It's, I mean, obviously we know what it is. What year is it?
It's a 2012 MP4-12C, fully loaded with carbon. Wrapped,
nice. Can we see under the hood?
Pop the hood, man.
Well, that was a joke. It's in the back, right?
No, it's in the front.
What?
Yeah.
For real?
Doesn't even want to pop.
Wow, you actually got me. I was like, wait, what?
No.
You actually got me when you said, oh, I don't even know how.
Right.
I thought it was literally in the front when you said that.
That's cool looking.
I do like that.
Is that camo or what?
It's some, I don't know. You guys are the wrap guys.
I
Tell
don't-
me. It's some weird shit.
Is it wrapped or is this the...
Yeah, it's wrapped.
Yeah.
It's Avery satin pearl white.
Nice. Well, let's start her up and go for a ride. You down?
Do it.
All right.
Tree color is black under it.
It's black.
Yep.
Yeah,
All right.
beautiful.
Let's hear this bad boy.
Watch, it doesn't start now.
You gotta do a ride along.
We are, if he's down
Gotta
for
hear
it.
that swoosh noise. Actually, the intake noise sounds really good.
That's such a wide, like, what do you call that part?
Door sill?
Door sill?
Oh, yeah.
Dude,
Watch, when you go to get in, you're gonna be like, how do I do this? There's actually a way to do it. I'm actually here. I'm gonna record you.
okay, record me. Here, it's
I'm curious.
That door is hard to open.
Let's see. Let's see. No, Jeff. God.
no. Where am I gonna find it?
Come on.
Where is it? Wait, there's no.
Dude, it's so weird getting
Did
in.
I do good?
You did pretty good.
I did pretty
You did
good.
pretty good.
You gotta slam the fuck out of the doors because it's a McLaren.
Okay.
Might want to put your seatbelt on.
Yeah, I will. Hold on, let me. Just don't kill me for the YouTube, okay?
I don't know. Like, this is kind of the first drive of the car, so I don't even know. I didn't check lug nuts or anything.
Hey, there's nothing to prove. There's nothing to prove. It's not how I expected this day to go. This is my first ride ever in a McLaren.
Came here to work on my car, and now we're doing YouTube, I guess.
I know. Well, I just came here to just like be like, hey, look at my new car, and now we got a C8 Corvette with like Lambo exhaust. We've got a dope-ass GTR. We got a McLaren. As Ice Cube would say, today was a good day.
One sunny day of the week.
I know, right? And it was raining this morning too. Whoa. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, this guy was like, I'm getting out of the way.
Yeah, for being like a bone stock car, they're pretty quick.
Holy shit.
Like, I'll get on it at this light. Of course, to the speed limit.
Yeah, first one to the speed limit.
It's like decently goes straight for the most part. Like, this one's a little squirrely,
Yeah.
but for the most part, it's not like my Camaro where it was like you need 6 feet on each side.
Yeah. Yeah. No, this is cool. Like,
Yeah, it's a full Alcantara with red stitch everywhere.
yeah, this car kind of just reminds me of like just how it's like set up. It reminds me of just like a
I don't want to float right here because the guy on the motorcycle will think we're an asshole.
yeah. It just kind of reminds me of like a go-kart. You know what I mean? Like it's very like minimalistic. It's very simple.
Well, they're really light too because it's like a whole carbon fiber tub and frame on them. I'm trying to think of where I could send it to the speed limit.
You could go left and then make a U-turn and then come back this way.
It's a little sketchy because like I don't even know if the lug nuts are tight or anything.
I mean, it's a McLaren, so hopefully the previous owner.
But if we die, we don't have to go back to work. So
Yeah.
That's a plus.
Speaking of work, how's work going for you?
busy.
For those of you guys who don't know, Jason's a realtor here in the Placer County area, Sacramento County. So become a realtor. You can buy McLarens.
And write them off for tax. I guess you can't flip a U-turn there.
Yeah, no, I meant like, so up here, flip a bitch, and then when you make a right, you can probably send it to the speed limit in Mexico.
Yeah, it's so weird how me and you end up getting cars like right around tax season. Isn't it? So weird.
I guess that's a pretty interesting point.
We drive so much nicer than the Lamborghini Gallardo. That thing was just like rough. You always have to like hit it up in neutral when you stop, or it wears a clutch. This having the dual clutch is smooth. Much nicer.
Nice.
It's probably the most like underrated car you can buy. You can buy these around, you know, $100,000. You have doors that go up, twin turbo, dual clutch. Nobody knows there's between McLarens anyway, so this or a 720S, like most people don't know.
Even if you just wrap this one like bright orange.
Right,
you know?
Exactly. But even like the mirrors on it are just super clean looking.
Yeah, I like that. A little like arch.
And MSRP on these was like stupid expensive when they first came out.
Yeah, it was 2 something, right?
It's like 260 something. Okay, let's see.
I feel like I haven't been in like a very, very fast car in a long time.
Yeah, I wish there was somewhere I could actually really get on it hard, like past like I can't say speed limit.
Do it right here. Oh god, that just keeps pulling. Look, fucking morons, dude. People never check their mirrors, especially when like fast cars come up. Dope. Oh, that Urus just showed up.
Dude, why are there so many of those in town? I literally have seen like 8 of those in the last week. Nobody gets like a Lamborghini Aventador, like the crazy attention one, and then the SUV Lambo everyone buys. But it is over 6,000 pounds, so you know what that means for tax.
Yep. And the SQ7 is over 6,000 pounds.
You would.
I would. That was a huge selling feature.
Oh yeah, definitely.